Hello. The book I chose was titled Neighborhood Sharks Hunting with the Great Whites of California's Farallon Islands. The author of this book was Catherine Roy. She was also the illustrator of the book. Catherine Roy is self-described as a lover of science and history and big on adventures. She's endlessly fascinated by the ways things live. Her books are often the subject of storytelling and scientific education. Neighborhood Sharks is the first book that she's written and illustrated. She is a native of San Francisco Bay Area, but she currently lives in New York City. I went about choosing this book. I selected this book because it was an honor mention for the 2015 Cyber Medal. I am also very interested in shark books. Summary of this book. Every September, the great white sharks return to San Francisco. The sharks are on a hunt for their favorite meal. But how exactly do they hunt down their prey? These sharks have a fierce hunting skill that are both to be admired as well as feared. Neighborhood Sharks dives into the hunting grounds of Farallon Islands, which is located just 30 miles from the Golden State Bridge. Roy goes on to teach how the Pacific's most feared predators maintain their place at the top of the ocean's food chain. She reveals why sharks are essential to the ecosystem and deserve to be protected in the wild. This age group would be suitable for ages 7 years and older, roughly about 3rd grade and up. Readers can learn a lot about the facts about sharks and their life in the sea. The language is full of information about sharks' habits. I would pick this age group because there are some pictures that depict some blood in the water, some dead seals, and some close-ups of sharp teeth. However, the illustrations are drawn to detail the sharks in a non-scary way. 5 interesting facts that I've learned about this topic. The text was very informative, and I've learned so many new things about the great white sharks. The first thing would be what they eat. Near the Farallon Islands, there is a sanctuary for northern elephant seals. The young elephant seals must haul out of the water for the first time. They are often swimming slowly and alone. Their weight is up to 400 pounds, have a body mass of nearly 50% blubber. They make for the perfect snack for the hungry white sharks. Number 2, the body structure of the shark, which is built as the ultimate predator. Every inch of the shark is used as a competitive advantage against its prey in the water. Their bodies are shaped like torpedoes that adapt for highly efficient swimming. The tail of the great white shark is composed of a dorsal fin and keels that gives its body stability, while it's paired with its pectoral fins. They provide the lift in the water. White sharks are also covered in tiny scales called dermal decetals. These allow the shark to cut through the water. They also serve as a camouflage to hide. Number 3, the blood of the shark. Typically fish in the ocean, their blood runs cold. The blood of a great white shark functions as a warm-blooded fish. Their web of arteries and veins that act as a heating exchange system. The movement of the shark's muscles warms its blood, so just by swimming, the shark's blood increases in temperature. The extra heat speeds up digestion and makes its reflexes lightning fast, enabling it to catch up and eat its prey. Number 4, the high-definition eyes. White sharks are visual predators that target their prey primarily by sight. Their small but highly sensitive eyes are equipped with daytime vision that has limited range of color. This allows for a white shark to distinguish seal-like shapes floating at the surface. Number 5, the teeth. The most intimidating weapon of a shark has to be its teeth. The white shark's scientific name come from a Greek words for jagged and tooth. 26 top teeth and 24 bottom teeth. They are designed to eat a variety of prey, from fish to rays to young sharks. When a tooth wears down or falls out, a new tooth begins rotating forward to take its place. This ensures the shark is always ready to dine with razor-sharp teeth. I would categorize this book as being factional nonfiction. This book is presented with factional information that the author extensively researched. Neighborhood Sharks describes in great detail and depth the information of the great white shark. The visuals and design were realistic to help readers understand scientific concepts. The structure of this book, the way this book is structured, is an expository style of writing. The writing in the book presented the information in an organized pattern. The description of the white sharks was listed in importance to its competitive advantage in the water. Organizational pattern. The description pattern provided information on the sharks. The book starts off as a regular picture book. It then deepens into great detail the information of how a great white shark preys in the water. The book lists the importance of weapons a great white shark has in the water that makes it such a great hunter. The organizational tools that the book does have. This book, the organizational tools found in Neighborhood Sharks are bibliography and source notes in addition to a note about the author. The bibliography and the source notes listed in the information that was used by the author during her research, which can be found in the back of the book here. Hard to read, but there it is. As well as an author note. That's a little description of Catherine Roy. She consulted, information that she used during her research. She consulted books, scientific journals, websites, documentaries, and raw footage as she wrote and drew this book. The back of the book has the note about the author that provides information about the author's life and her credentials. The graphics and features for this book. The visual and graphics played such a crucial role for this book. To provide information that was carefully researched, the diagram of the shark conveyed specific facts to clarify vocabulary. Here is a picture of the shark's inside blood system, greatly detailed, as well as some cool breakdown of the shark and its weapons, the way that the body is built. And another example is the eyes. The text was very informative and engaging. I found it to be very helpful when dissecting the diagrams of the white sharks. First, the book takes you a storyline approach as a great white shark stalks its prey. Next to the illustration, it gives an explanation and details to different aspects of the shark. These include what they eat, how they eat, why they are such good hunters, and the anatomy of the shark. I would definitely recommend this book for others. Yes, if you are interested in learning about sharks, this book is a great way to start learning.